Hello folks, it's me again. Hope you like the new camera angle. It's whatever. It is what it is. This video is a vice grip video because I know you love looking at vice grips. So in here, I've never had one of these. I've never had a reason to own one until I start collecting vice grips. What is it? It's a 20R. If I remember correctly, this is basically a device to strap around things and get a nice grip, and basically you rip them out of their, put it around it, lock it in, turn it. It looks like some medieval chainmail thing. This one's not in perfect shape. See, it's okay. I'd probably put a steel ball in the end, use it as a medieval thing. You can see the chain. Chain. It's all rusty. Vapor rusted. There's a little cloggy, like a thing on there. Why'd I buy it? Because it's a vice grip. It's pretty cool how you can, I'm guessing, like I said, I don't know what the hell, what I would use this for. It reminds me of one of those oil filter things, but I'm guessing use it for oil filter. I don't know how much bite you get into it, but it seems a little, I guess using a piece of rubber would be good. Let me tilt this downward here. I guess you just kind of like go like this. Put it around something and like so. And yeah, mind you, a little less pliable. So, really. What about this right here? Try this. Come on, get in there. There we go. You can just get a little bite on it. Oh, here we go. Here we go. See? Did the job. It works. Is it for this application? May not exactly be for holding onto metal anvils or whatever, but it works superb. If you can get it a nice round bottom, you could probably spin the vice grip. Is this an Irwin one? I don't know. No, this is a Peterson. This is a early Peterson version. Could you actually get it on this last one? Let's see. Oh, you could get it on that one. See, the shortest one. I don't know how effective that would be on anything, but you can. What the hell you'd grasp on that last one? I have no idea. But sure, somebody out there's done it. So probably put on someone's neck. Come here, folks. Hang on, whatever. That is my vice grip video. Vintage Peterson vice grip 20R. Got under $10. Can't complain. Anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles.